Most people invest their money in the wrong order, and that one mistake silently costs them hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetime. You freed up the cash, now what do you do with it? And in what order? There is a specific order that quietly wealthy people follow. It's not complicated, but nobody teaches it in school. Most people skip steps and leave massive amounts of money on the table. Today, I'm going to give you the exact sequence. 6 steps, in order, non-negotiable. Step 1. Before you invest a single dollar, you build a $1,000 emergency fund. This is not a savings account. This is a firewall. Without it, the first unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, a broken phone, sends you straight back to credit card debt. $1,000 in a high-yield savings account, untouchable, before anything else. Step 2. Kill all high-interest debt, credit cards, personal loans, anything above 7% interest. Here's the math nobody tells you. If your credit card charges 22% interest, paying it off is a guaranteed 22% return on your money. Tax-free, risk-free, no investment on earth reliably beats that. Pay it off, in order of highest interest rate first. Don't invest while paying 22% to a bank. Step 3. Contribute to your 401k, but only up to the employer match. If your employer matches 4% of your salary, you put in 4%. That's a 50 to 100% instant return on your money before it even touches the market. Not using the employer match is leaving free money on the table. It is the single best guaranteed return available to an American worker. Use it. Step 4. Max out your Roth IRA, $7,000 a year in 2026. This is the most powerful savings account in America, and most people have never used it. Your money grows completely tax-free. When you withdraw it in retirement, 0 taxes. None. Put index funds inside it. Set it to auto-invest. Never touch it for 30 years. Step 5. Now go back to your 401k and max it out completely. $23,000 a year in 2026. Your contributions reduce your taxable income right now. You pay less in taxes today while building wealth for the future, both at the same time. This is the step most people skip because they think they can't afford it. But you freed up $600 a month from the car. That's $7,200 a year, almost the full Roth IRA, just from one decision. Step 6. If you still have money left, taxable brokerage account. No limits, no rules. Just buy index funds and wait. S&P 500 index fund. Same amount every month, automatically. Don't watch it, don't touch it. Let compound interest do what it does. Now let's connect this back to where we started. That $600 a month you freed up by buying a used car in cash, run it through this exact order. Emergency fund first, done in 2 months. Kill any remaining debt. Hit the employer match. Max the Roth IRA. Let it grow. 30 years, $600 a month, 10% average return. $1,900,000. Same salary as everyone else around you. Different order. Completely different life. The psychology of why people skip these steps even when they know better. Subscribe and stay quiet while you get rich.